Quick! Which one should you eat more of?
Hi friends, I'm Apple and this Lee. Let's play a fun food game.
When you see a food, shout if it's healthy or unhealthy.
Shout your answer.
Is this apple healthy or unhealthy? Healthy! Apples have vitamins to keep you strong. Healthy! Is this donut healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy. Too much sugar isn't good for our bodies. Next up, carrot. Healthy or unhealthy? Healthy! Carrots help your eyes see super well. What about soda? Healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy. Soda has lots of sugar. Water is better. Now me, broccoli. Healthy or unhealthy? Healthy. Broccoli makes you strong and helps you grow. Candy. Healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy. A little candy is okay, but not every day. Banana time. Healthy or unhealthy? Healthy! Bananas give you quick energy to play. French fries. Healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy. Fried foods are a treat, not an everyday food. Yogurt. Healthy or unhealthy? Healthy! Yogurt has calcium for strong bones.
Subscribe to ZZ Kids School TV so you never miss any of our videos. Let's continue.
Potato chips. Healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy. Too salty and oily for every day. Last one, water. Healthy or unhealthy?
Super healthy. Water keeps your whole body happy.
Let's remember our healthy heroes. And these are just sometimes treats, not every day. Eating healthy food helps you grow strong and happy.
Yeah, high five for our health.
Eat healthy, grow strong. Watch more fun learning videos right here on ZZ Kids School TV.
More fun learning, Thai Z Kids School TV. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.